Oh boys, back with another video. My last one we were doing a little bit of harvest maintenance. Right now I'm sitting in the grain cart tractor. I think today I'm gonna go ahead and ride my dirt bike around. I'll probably put my phone on my helmet somehow, and then you guys can like see my track that I built and whatnot. I also have a new editor. His name's Zach. He's gonna be editing my videos, that way I don't have to do it. And we're gonna see how he does on this video. I'll add a clip in of him saying what he does and whatnot at the end of the video, or the beginning, one of the two, whatever he decides to put it in. So yeah, alright, well, I think we're gonna get to ripping.
What up, ladies and gentlemen? Today I'm Ben's new editor, Zach, and enjoy the video today. Like and subscribe, please.
Okay, so I just made it down to the other shop. Got some tape. I think I'm just gonna tape it onto my helmet. It should work right on the front part. And if it doesn't, it'll fall. Not a big deal. Hopefully it gets on video. So yeah, I also have my AirPod in, so I'll be able to talk to you guys, I think. I have taken my baffle out of my dirt bike, so it's pretty loud. So I don't know how the footage is gonna come out, so yeah, catch you guys on my helmet. Donut time? Alright, I think we're gonna go ahead and go down the drag strip now. Oh, there's a rock. Here we go. See if we can drag race a car. Any cars coming? Of course not. I think I'll just do a launch. Alright, let's see how this works. There's second. Oh, we don't want it third. Dang it. You guys didn't see that. Alright, second gear. Oh, there's a car. Yeah, I hit second too late. Boys, this floor is so slippery. Alright, let's head back to the track. Man, I cannot see. My AirPod's about to fall out of my ear too. Here we go. Mud fell off. Hey, excuse the really bad hair, and this idea works really good. I think I'm gonna start using it. I was gonna put it right on my bars, but I didn't think that was gonna work very good because last time I did that, I put it on a four-wheeler. It was super bouncy and stuff, so my helmet works pretty good. Problem is my phone's super heavy, so it like wants to drag down my helmet. So yeah, I think I'm gonna go ahead and rip around a little bit longer, do a couple more donuts and stuff, and catch you guys later. You can tell where I did a donut already. Hit the truck now, baby! Oh, missed a turn. Oh, I hit the tree with my head. I'll go back down through here. Oh, there's trucks in the way. Oh, bouncy, bouncy. Oh, go say hi to Mom. Bing bong. I'm filming right now, Mom. Alright, I think I'm gonna go ahead and hit the ditch jump, guys. Oh, he's mowing. I think I'll have to wait until he's done mowing and then I'll go ahead and hit the ditch jump. If you go off right here, it's just a ditch. Normally it's really full of mud, if you couldn't tell like by my giant tractor there. Whew, boys. Oh, you don't want no smoke. You don't want no smoke. Alright, we'll hit the ditch jump a little bit. Oh, perfect. Alright, now you have to go up right here. Come on, bike. Here we go. Woo! Oh, went off that sideways, about wrecked. Oh my God. See if any cars want to race. There's two. We're racing the van. Here we go. We're gonna be in hot pursuit, boys. Oh, baby. You don't want no smoke. That's all I'm second here. Yeah. Here we go. Oh, no. This is always super sketchy. Woo! Cleared the whole driveway. Not even in gear. Just neutral. Gotta love 125s. Look at the top and we get dropped. Really? Terrible. Shit. My AirPod fell out. Oh my God. That was lucky. Whew. I found it. I'm gonna go hit the track one more time and then go park it. go down the old abandoned trail. There's cedar trees at the end of there, so it's super sketchy because there's a whole bunch of branches and whatnot, and they hurt when you hit them. So wheelie over them. This jump is so fun because you can just butter it the whole way. I don't know how, but you just can. So you go across all the ruts, right down through here. Ouch. See what I mean? Them suckers hurt. Woohoo! Oh, man. Missed the gear. Ready? Alright, boys. Time to go Parker. Well, I know what's wrong with it. I don't know. I think it'll still work. It still works. Yeah, definitely. Oh, boys. Gotta love your helmet hair, you know. I just got done ripping around. Hope you guys liked that somewhat good video. I don't know how it turned out. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and send that to my editor. See what he can do with it. Root beer. Gotta love it, you know. I'm gonna go ahead and catch you guys in the next one. And you know what? Bruck Farms on top.